Look at that. Got a blowout. Look at that. Now I've stopped for these boys, I'm absolutely red hot. This little lady's getting warm. Got a river outside. Nice. Right, morning sports fans. We are going to get some breakfast because we're Hank Marvin, and then we're going to go and hit a few lanes. Hopefully, I'm really looking forward to hitting a few more lanes. Didn't get much filming of them yesterday. Because the weather was so terrible. Thanks, Dan. Lovely, thank you very much. Cheers. So before we check out a cheeky little byway here, which goes across the sea, but it's looking very, very deep over there, so we decided we're just going to park up here for a minute and have a little butcher's. Yeah, it looks a bit fast flowing. Maybe in a few hours when it's completely low tide you might get across, but we haven't got a few hours, so let's go to another lane that we can do. That's that first lane complete. Check out this for a view. Woo! Unbelievable. Let's go and hit another lane, I think.
Oh, big old that one, AD, if you're interested. Gary, you better be recording this road, because this road looks like the road of adventures.
I am recording it. I've got you talking about sheep.
It's got to be about here somewhere.
I think I've located it. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, stop there. First bit of winching action of the day. Let the winch do the work, Aids. Aids! Hold up, so what are you thinking? What I could do, I'll tell you what I'll do. Is it? Right, I'll tell you what I'll do, is I will take that off, give me some slack, and I'll wrap it round that and then onto that tree. Pull you out towards that tree, get you out there, brakes on, off again, back onto that tree and up, yeah? Sound like a plan?
A minute. You've got to remember, you've got to tell him when to stop.
Everything all locked in?
It's got central difference.
I don't understand how that's not... How strange. Just doesn't seem to be. All of the drives just go into one wheel.
Yeah, I know.
It's like trying to get up it in two-wheel drive, in front-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I am sweating. Woo! See if we, I hope it doesn't get any worse than that, and we will be up old shit creek, wouldn't we? We broke my arm then. Good work, Dan, well done. Try and get a bit of momentum on this one if you can, eh? Smart. Why?
No, let's get up that.
Where? What is it?
It's like that.
Shut up.
No, it's a gate.
Do it again to Adrian.
We've got to go back. The hill is like that. You won't be able to get up it, I promise you. I can't even walk up it. No, it's just a gate.
You'd think the reason it's turning.
Yeah, it was strange. It was literally just that wheel that was turning. You've probably done about 40 quid's worth of tread on that as well, because it was like stones. It was just smoking. Hey ho. it probably would have been, in hindsight, going that way probably would have been better.
Oh,
But
yeah, not easy.
we had
yeah.
a few little airy bits going round them tight turns.
But that's what you're off-road for.
Yeah, it's all part of the game, isn't it?
So where are you off to now?
Well, we're going to hit one more lane and then we're going to go off towards like Lake Windermere direction. But this is our third day here, so I was going to show
Are you
you
camping or?
Yeah, we've been camping. Yeah.
No, it's a disco. It won't struggle.
No, look.
And he had diff lock on as well.
Yeah.
Well, we think we might have a bit. He might have an issue because there was only one wheel going round at all
Just
times.
would not go around it
Right. So who pulled him up?
himself. It's got a winch bumper.
And the other way round it is if the diff lock plays, as you're accelerating up gently, just put your foot on the brake.
Brake, that's a good
And
idea.
it
Yeah.
stops the one spinning and gives it a bit more.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
we've done that a lot of times down here in the mud just for the fun.
Really?
Well, it's just in practice, you know, for when you do get stuck.
You know, compared to the people we've met, you've been like one of the nice ones.
Yeah. Sometimes people can't and have
Yeah.
a moan. You have to.
But
Well,
it was
you can't
definitely-
help it. Yeah.
yeah.
You know.
But we
Well, it's a green lane, it's your right. You
Yeah.
I'll change it if
Yeah.
you want me to.
No, can't blame them though, because a lot of them sort of cut through their land,
Yeah,
and
but
you're
when
going
they
through
bought
their
it, they knew what it
gates.
was.
Yeah,
I mean, we
it's
knew
true.
the green lane was here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet
Okay,
you.
yeah,
Well,
take
thanks
care.
very much. Right, this is our next lane. We've had a bit of a drive to get to this one. It's been about an hour's drive, so fingers crossed it's open. Wow, look at this place to stop. This looks amazing. We're thinking about staying here tonight, but it does say you're not supposed to. But we're not having any fires, we're not causing any harm. We're literally just going to be parked in that place. It's just a place to rest our head, get an early start in the morning. So we're just seeing how we get on. If someone comes along and moves us on, then move us on. There's nothing we can do about it. Cheers.
Saves doing it outside.
Hey! Hello sports fans. So we camped up. I've got my window things in, as you can see. Falling apart, but hey ho. Basically we decided to camp in that spot. No one else came past. It's a couple of walkers, that was it. So all solid. We're going to stay here. Risk it for a chocolate biscuit. Yeah, so we will see. We're just going to set off early in the morning. But yeah, it's got a cool place. Quite creepy, but it's all part of the game, isn't it? See you in the morning, sports fans. No. Oh, good morning, sports fans. It is a very windy morning. Very windy indeed. It was raining this morning. I don't think it's raining now, but the wind is definitely howling through. The car was rocking side to side last night. Yeah, it's quite nice. Sort of rocked me to sleep. Really, I slept quite well. The others are already up, which is a bit unusual because normally I'm up before them. But it's coming up for 7:30 now. I woke up about 6:30 and I just laid there. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear them get up, so I let them be. But they've been up, so I suppose I better get a wiggle on. Eat my porridge, and then we're going to complete the rest of this lane. I can think of worse views I could be eating my breakfast too in the morning. Let's go, sports fans! Actually, quite enjoyed that. Lovely place to stay. Oh yeah, we're going to head to Lake Windermere again now, and we've been past, but we're going to stop there. I think Dan wants to get something to eat. Yeah, it's nice while we're here. We might go and might as well go and check it out, mightn't we? I've just had a radio call from Adrian, and he's overheated. There he is. You're right, there's lay-by just up the top there, Adrian. Pull over in it. There's the big boss.
Hello, fella.
Yeah, is it alright?
Yeah, it just got that high. It went right up. You know, I was going up the hill, so I had to pull over. Plus, I hit the curb because the car was so close to me. I just clipped the curb or the rocks on the front left. But it's alright. I thought it had gone down. That's why I was struggling, but it hasn't. It's alright.
Yeah, that's cool. Your CB aerial has got erectile dysfunction though, unfortunately.
Oh, mine.
A firm, yours, yeah. Here we are, sports fans, at sunny Lake Windermere. Adrian's got his brolly out. Dan wants some breakfast, so we're going to go find some breakfast. Wish I was known, I wouldn't have had me porridge.
Sorry. Right, I guess, sorry. Yeah. Oh. Cheers, thank you. Looking forward to that. You're not recording me for YouTube. You're like one of them homeless people.
Well, you go and buy them some
Yeah, you
boots.
should have just gave me your ones and then bought some new ones. But like, right, here you go, mate. You can have my old ones.
No, I like my ones. Yeah, what's it like having nice dry socks, Dan?
Lovely.
I want every adventure we go on, I want to see them boots.
So they wore out like my trainers.
Yeah.
And the smell?
Way. Look at that. How's that feel, Dan?
Actually, really good. Really good.
Good.
Thank you. I've been homeless for a long time and I haven't had proper shoes and this just feels amazing. Thank you for your generosity.
Have a little kick about. Yeah.
Getting a haircut next.
Nice.
Thank you, Gary.
Go on, get rid of them bloody old things. Goodbye. Dan's getting us a little ice cream. Lovely. Oh, thanks, mate. That looks lovely. Wow. Right, sports fans, thanks for joining us on our little wet, rainy bank holiday weekend Lake District adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. We're not going to let the rain spoil things for us. It's one of those things, isn't it? We've still had a great time. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I'm just putting out the feelers there. I'd really like to do an adventure with a few more people. I don't know if any of my subscribers or people that are watching this video might be interested in joining us. Like I say, just putting out the feelers. If you are, leave us a comment or contact me on the socials. Shut up, I know it's a speed camera. Yeah, let me know if anyone would be up for that. I'd love to go out with a few more people, tag along with us, see how we do things. We'll probably head to somewhere we've been before. But yeah, let me know if you would like to tag along. And again, thanks for watching, sports fans. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, all that rubbish. Ta-da.
12 seconds later.
Spoke too soon. Got a blowout. Look at that. There we go, boy. All done. Let's get out of here. At least we're in this bloody video. Can we not break down again, please? Oh, great. Now I've stopped for these boys. I'm absolutely red hot. I need to get some air rolling through this engine. Got the heater on full whack. God, I don't want this thing over bloody heating. Let's get out. Hopefully a bit of air running through will cool it down. Oh, now our doors is ringing. Oh God, it's all happening. Temperature's coming down though, that's good. Oh God, I just want to get home. This little lady's getting warm, and my expansion tank's full to the brim. topped it up with a bit of water, which is probably what's in there, but it doesn't seem to be over pressuring, so I don't know. I'll do a head gasket test when I get home, but other than that, I don't really know. I think I just need a nice big fan on the front, get some cool air, because it seems to be when I slow down, all the while it's driving, it's fine. As soon as I hit traffic, I overheat. Anyway, fingers crossed I can end the video here.
Much later.
On to the next one. Greenlandia.
Red chimney out. Ta-da! We made it home! Yes! Well, I can end this bloody video now. No. No. No.
That was quite enjoyable, that was.